Hello friends, I am Dr. Urja Patel from LJ Institutes of Applied Science. In the last video we have discussing the question answer of Unit 4 of Chemistry 201. In this video we are discussing another new question according to syllabus of Gujarat University. First question is, phenol is acidic while alcohol is neutral. So we can see the phenol is an aromatic structure, aromatic compound, and alcohol is a aliphatic compound. So first we discuss about the property of alcohol. The alcohol is a conjugate base of ethoxide ion and it is not stabilized by resonance because here there is a absence of pi bond. It may also noted from the equilibrium stated that alkoxide ions are strong proton acceptors or they are known as a bases because bases are always accepting the proton. So the alcohol is neutral in nature. And here you can see in the equation that ethanol in presence of water give the ethoxide ion and H3O plus, and this ethoxide ion is act as a strong proton acceptor, and due to the strong proton accepting property it having neutral nature. While in phenol having the OH group is attached to the electron negative sp2 hybridized carbon atom of benzene. So the hydroxy bond is more polar than the alcohol. So here you can find the structure of phenol and phenoxide ion which was stabilized by the resonance. Here you see the first resonating structure of phenol, and this resonating structure of phenol are less stable due to the charge separation, and here in the bottom you can find the structure of phenoxide ion, and here you see that there is no charge separation in the resonating structure of phenoxide ion. So this ion is more stable than the phenol. So phenol upon reversibility or upon loss of one proton give the phenoxide ion, and compared to phenol, phenoxide ion is more stable and it having dissociation constant value is more than the phenol. So phenol is more acidic while alcohol is neutral in nature. Now we go the another question is explain and arrange the following compound in ascending order of their basicity. The compounds are methylamine, dimethylamine, trimethylamine and ammonia. The unshared electron pair on the nitrogen atom of ammonia and amines is responsible for their basic character. When ammonia dissolves in a water, it abstracts a proton from the water molecule and forming ammonium ion and hydroxide ion. And NH3 upon reaction with the H2O give the NH4 plus, which is known as a ammonium ion, and OH minus is known as a hydroxide ion. Similarly, all the three type of amine which react with the water to form the alkyl substituted ammonium ion and hydroxide ion. Here you find that the reaction of another amine in which first is a methylamine which upon react with the water molecule give methyl ammonium ion and hydroxide. Similarly, dimethylamine upon reaction with the water molecule give the dimethyl ammonium ion and hydroxide ion. And in a trimethylamine, upon reaction with the water molecule give the trimethyl ammonium ion and hydroxide ion. Hence, there will be more electron close to nitrogen in methylamine than in ammonia, and the unshared electron pair on nitrogen is more available to react with proton from water molecule. So methylamine is more stronger base than ammonia, but in a dimethylamine have a 2 electron releasing methyl group is attached to the nitrogen atom. So dimethylamine is stronger base than methylamine. And also in a trimethylamine there is a presence of 3 methyl group, and there is a overcrowding to nitrogen, and this overcrowding causes the steric effect to dominate over the electronic effect. So the order of basicity are arranged as below, in which as we increases from methylamine or ammonia to trimethylamine, the basicity was increases. So trimethylamine is more basic than pure ammonia and methylamine. The another question is, picric acid has no carboxylic acid group but it is acidic. In the name you can find it is known as a acid. So here you can see the structure of picric acid. In a picric acid it having a 3 nitro group, and this 3 nitro group have electron withdrawing effect, and this effect is greatly increase the acidity of one phenolic OH group and making the compound nearly as acidic as another mineral acid. For this reason, presence of 3 electron withdrawing group, it goes under the name of picric acid. Thank you.